All right, so I'm going to do this in the method that I use and the steps that I use. All right, so what I do is I normally circle this number, that's the b, and I go like this. 1/2 of plus 6 is plus 3. And then I have to square it, and I get plus 9. Okay, so that's the first thing I do when I know that I have to solve these by completing the square or by some other method. All right, so I do that first. I have to move this 2 to the other side. All right, so I'm going to do this in a different color. -2, -2. All right, so what do I get? I get x squared plus 6x plus 9, this number, equals -2 plus 9. Okay, so I move the 2 to the other side like that. Okay, and then I take this half of a b and I square it, and I put it on each side. All right, so I end up with that. Okay, now I have to factor, and I'm putting finger quotes around it even though you can't see me factor this, because I really don't have to factor it. Whatever number is in these parentheses right here goes right there, always, every single time. Okay, and then I combine the two numbers on this side, and I get 7. So I get x plus 3 squared equals 7. All right, now that looks short and easy, but it has a lot of steps happening in there, and you really, really need to practice this. All right, for me, I've done, I don't know, 500 of these, 1,000 of these in my life. All right, so the steps just are in my brain, and I just walk down through them. So I'm going to take the square root of each side. All right, it's just going to give me x plus 3, because square roots and squares get rid of each other, equals plus or minus radical 7. And then I have to move the 3 over here. And I'm going to get x equals -3 plus or minus radical 7. There's not a negative under the radical, so there's no I involved, and 7 doesn't simplify, so there's no simplifying the radical. All right, so that takes care of everything that I needed to do in that problem.